Good morning, my name is Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this gorgeous 1953 Chevrolet 210. This is obviously a hot rod, really well done car. This amazing two-tone paint. This is all steel, no Bondo, no rust. Chrome is excellent, stainless steel is excellent, painted stripes. It's independent front suspension, disc brakes. You can see it's just gorgeous. Bench seat, period correct velour, whatever, beautiful headliner. Dashboard's nice and neat. It has a B&M shifter, original glove box, good instrumentation, oil pressure, water temp, old school Moon gas pedal, tilt wheels, power steering. Really sweet ride. So it's powered with a Chevrolet small block 350. And two 600 CFM carbs. It actually starts and runs very easy, very streetable. It has the go fast look. It's really a pretty practical car. Nice heavy duty radiator. As I said, this is all new. Independent front suspension, power steering. It's a freeway cruiser. It's amazing, the body's absolutely straight as an arrow. Has the old California plates on it, the correct battery relocated to the back here. Fuel cell, you could convert it back to gas tank if you wanted, but you can see it's done very well, high quality, good workmanship. Paint's very good. We'll go for a quick drive. Car drives out really nicely, and you'll notice door panels are all done right. These rear windows roll up and down. I forgot to show you, but they go up and down. So the starting sequence is pretty simple. First of all, you put the round key in, teeth down, then you have a switch over here, up, switch over here, up, and then this is a kill switch of some kind. Turn it on. Hear an electric fuel pump kick in. Needs a little gas right off the bat, but so it has tilt wheel. Has B&M shifter, so you pull it up. 3-speed automatic transmission. Really a pretty streetable car. It looks like a go-fast car, but actually it's very, very streetable. So here we go. The speedometer does not work. Other than that, I'm told everything on it works. Gas gauge works. 3-speed automatic, really nice, easy shifting. Drives like a regular street car. I know it looks like a super duper hot rod, but actually it's very easy to live with. Goes down the road really nice and straight. Stops very nice. I'm going to do a U-turn right here just because we can. Turn signals work. The rear view mirror is there, which actually works surprisingly well. There's tachometer over here, and that's functional. B&M shifter. Your gauge is there, they're working. Car runs nice and cool. Gentleman who brought it to us drove it here. The old telltale of some of these cars is when they have them flatbedded to you, you know they're not a runner. This thing's just a runner. So this thing goes. This thing has tons of power. I would guess 400 plus horsepower would be my guess. But it has, the cam is not wonky. It idles smoothly, so it kind of gives you the best of both worlds. But what's really cool about the car is quality of the build. You see a lot of hot rods that are kind of pieced together. This thing's built right. The wiring underneath, it's clean, there's no rust. The chrome and the stainless are very good. Runs cool, power steering, power disc brakes. Really a nice ride. So you pick it up, put it in reverse. And there she is, 1953 Chevrolet 210, clean California title, smog exempt, hard to beat. You couldn't build it for what we're asking. Thanks for your consideration.